Good day, my beautiful people. What do we have again? Yes, this is strawberry smoothie. This classic strawberry smoothie recipe is easy to make with 4 simple ingredients in less than 5 minutes and always tastes so sweet and refreshing. And strawberry is rich in fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and it has low saturated fat in it. In fact, this is a recipe drink that after making it, that person that rejects food in your family will come back and start begging you for more. Yeah, they will turn to Oliver Twist. One thing I like is that overripe fruit in your fridge will not be wasted because it is good for this recipe. My beautiful people, you are welcome back again to Kele Kitchen. If today is your first time, a warm welcome to you, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for coming back to watch our videos. Without wasting much time, let us dive into the kitchen. Here I have 200 grams of frozen strawberry, 1 banana, 2 cups of milk, and 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Feel free to add more or less depending on the quantity you are making, yes. So as you can see here, I have the ripe banana. This banana is very cold, that is good. It can be frozen or it can be cold. So I peel the banana into smaller pieces so that your blender can blend it very well. And today's shout out goes to Felicia Esiwe, watching all the way from the Netherlands. Yes. And our next shout out goes to Home Cooked Meals. Thank you very much for stopping by to watch our video. So go ahead and cut the strawberry also into small sizes so that your blender will also blend it very well. If today is your first time, I would like you to subscribe to our channel to give us encouragement to be making more videos for you. Hit on that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Yes, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you. Like this video, share this video, comment. Also tell us where you are watching our video from so that we can give you a hug shout out in our next video. Yeah, as you can see here, we have done cutting the fruit, the strawberry and the banana. So in a clean blender, you add the strawberry. After that, you add the banana, add the milk, add your condensed milk. If you like to add another flavor, you can go ahead like vanilla, but I did not add it because I just want to enjoy that strawberry taste. Feel free to add the flavor according to your taste. Yes. So go ahead, cover the blender and blend the smoothie very well, between 2 minutes to 3 minutes depending on the level of your blender. Yeah, as you can see here, the blending is going good, looking so good and yummy. If you like, you can add some ice blocks, and here we are. The smoothie is ready. Yes, in your serving glasses, go ahead and serve this smoothie according to your taste. I promise you that all the members of your family will come back and ask you for another glass because this is so good. This smoothie strawberry is what you can use to freshen up yourself, to cool off yourself. And yeah, we are good to go. Here we come to the end of this video. If you have not loved this video, give us your like. If you have not shared, share this video, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Yeah, bye.